Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the lock opens at the factory code. This proves the mechanism moves freely. Set each dial to 0-0-0 and apply gentle pressure to the release while keeping the shackle down. If it pops, you know the tumblers are aligned. If not, rotate each wheel slightly until tension eases. Once done, make sure to note the initial state because changing from a known baseline prevents accidental permanent lockouts later. You now program the code. Find the reset lever or tiny pinhole, manufacturers vary. Insert the tool or push the lever into the reset position and keep pressure. This disengages the lock's default stop so the wheels can move independently. While holding it, rotate each dial to your chosen digits. Pick a code you can recall under stress. When you finish, release the reset and cycle the shackle. Test the new combination twice to confirm the tumblers set correctly. You finish by verifying the lock. Set the new code, close and open it several times. This ensures the wheel seat and the mechanism latches reliably. If it refuses to open, calmly revert to the factory code, reopen and repeat the reset. Misaligned wheels are the usual culprit. If wheels feel gritty, apply a tiny amount of graphite powder, not oil. Oil attracts dust and can worsen binding. If problems persist, consult the luggage maker for a step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.